Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed lower on Friday. This after President Trump threatens to impose new tariffs on Mexico. Shares in telecommunication services, automobiles and components, and tech hardware and equipment sectors all closing lower, while on the economic docket, personal income increasing by 0.5% in April, while personal spending improved by 0.3% in April, compared to 1.1% 1 month earlier. Also, Chicago PMI increasing to 54.2 in May, and the University of Michigan Sentiment Index decreasing by 100 in May. This all as 77% of SP500 constituents traded lower Friday. After the markets closed, FedEx being investigated by the Chinese government after Huawei said the company diverted 2 packages to the U.S. Meanwhile, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.92%, the Hang Seng down 0.03%, China's CSI 300 is up 0.06%, South Korea's Kospi up 1.28%. European markets losing some ground, the U.S. futures calling for a slightly negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket, 9:45 in the morning, we have the May market manufacturing PMI final read. We also have at 10 o'clock in the morning ISM manufacturing new orders and construction spending for April. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 is looking towards 27,1650. And that's in focus. A break below 27.28 would trigger a drop towards 27.1650. Short positions below 27.50 are favored, with targets at 27.28 and 27.1650 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, looks for 70.27, and the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail.